So today in this video we have given if 20 men can do a piece of work in 16 days, how many men should be exiled to finish the work in 20 days. So here is the relation between the men and the days. So here we have given the relation is of number of men and number of days. So here we have given 20 men. So 20 men can do a piece of work in 16 days. So number of days is 16. So like as in second condition, how many men should be exiled means removed. So we have 20 and a number of exiled men, suppose let x, to finish the work in 20 days. So the work will be finished in 20 days. So now we have to find out the relation between number of men and days. So number of men and days are in indirect proportion. So number of men and days are in indirectly proportional, so we can alter or change these quantities. So it can be 20 minus x by 20 is equals 16 by 20. So now we have changed its numerator into denominator and denominator into numerator. So now we can write 20 minus x is equal to 16 by 20. This 20 in divide, move in opposite side, it becomes multiply. So 20 minus x is equals 20 cancel, we have here 16. So x is equals 20 minus 16. This x goes opposite side, became plus, and this 20 same, this plus 20 moving this side became 90. So the x is equal to 4. So the number of men that should be exiled to finish the work in 20 days is 4. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.